thinks money when it's you. You tell them what you mean, but they keep whining out the truth. It's like a work of art that never gets.
Nagpasaya na nga si Kim Chiu sa Cebu, at tuwang-tuwa nga ang kanilang mga fans ng Kim Pao, at kahit wala si Paulo ay full ang suporta ng mga ka-Kim Pao kung saan ay naghihintay na nga ang kanilang mga fans sa labas ng venue kahit hindi pa dumating si Kimi. Kung may Kim Pao Universe, ay may Kim Pao Squad din sa Cebu. Sa naturang event nga ay pinakilala si Kim Chiu na bagong endorser ng Bingo Plus. Talagang sunod-sunod ang mga blessings ni Kimi dahil nga ay nagwagi din siya sa Seoul Drama Awards 2024. Hindi naman binigo ni Kim ang kanilang mga fans ni Paulo, kahit mag-isa lang ito na nag-perform.
Let us all welcome our new Bingo Plus endorser, Ms. Kim Chiu.
Yay! Palakpakan naman natin once again!
Yes, ito yung masasabi ko talagang nakabingo ako! Plus, plus, plus pa.
Correct! In fairness naman sa'yo.
Yes, pero eto na talaga yung totoo ko message. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat to Bingo Plus for choosing me to be your newest endorser and for making me part of your growing family. This is such an incredible moment and I'm very happy to be part of something as wonderful as the Bingo Plus family. Maraming salamat. And of course, my first impression of Bingo Plus was that it was the leading mobile and entertainment platform in the country, but the Cebu Carnival celebration has shown me that the brand is so much more than that. As an entertainer, I'm very honored to be part of the Bingo Plus story and spread, of course, fun, entertainment, and to make people happy, smile, and mawala muna yung mga problema nila sa buhay for a while. Siyempre, sino ba naman gustong malungkot ang life, di ba? We all want to be happy and entertained. Pero, more than just being entertainers, both Bingo Plus and I are passionate about helping the community. Through the Bingo Plus Foundation, we are able to share the same beliefs and advocacies that emphasize creating a better Philippines. Kaya naman, it really is wonderful to be able to represent a brand. You made me insecure, told me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge when you're a diamond? I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. Na 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 na. You've got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, so pretty. Who says you're not beautiful? Who said? Oh, it's cruel summer. Salamat jud kayo for the welcome. Kay murag gikan la jud ko isa kay og airplane pag landing nako. Hala abot na di kog Cebu, pwede na ko muuli sa amo. Kumusta naman mo tanan, nalipay mo? Ay hello sa tanan na adiri mga Kim Chiu Global, mga Kim Paos, mga and the Bingo Plus family. Maayong gabi. Good evening everybody. Magunsa ka ako diri. Okay naman siguro. Ako na lang ni. What's up, Madlang people?